Looking to invest in Japanese real estate in 2025, but don't know where to start? With so many cities to choose from, how do you know which ones offer the best opportunities? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 cities in Japan that could make your real estate investment dreams a reality. Japan is a fascinating country, known for its rich culture, advanced technology, and thriving real estate market. But with so many cities across this beautiful nation, it can be tough to figure out where to put your money. Whether you're a first-time investor or looking to expand your portfolio, we'll walk you through the top 5 cities in Japan where real estate investments are booming in 2025. Stick around to find out which city could be your perfect investment destination. Here's the challenge. Japan is huge. Its real estate market spans from buzzing urban centers to more tranquil regional hotspots. So how do you pick the right city to invest in? Each city has its unique dynamics, and choosing the wrong one could mean the difference between a profitable investment and one that falls flat. If you're not familiar with these cities or their markets, it's easy to make the wrong choice. In this video, I'll break down the top cities that stand out for 2025, so you can make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Let's start with Tokyo, the first city on our list. Tokyo has been a real estate investment powerhouse for years. As the capital and the largest city in Japan, it has a population of over 13 million people. That's a massive rental market. And if you're looking to invest in the capital, there's a lot to be excited about. But Tokyo isn't just about sheer size, it's one of the most technologically advanced cities in the world, attracting a growing number of international businesses and tech startups. This influx of companies has driven the demand for both commercial and residential real estate. With the tech and financial sectors continuing to flourish, you can expect the demand for office spaces and apartments to remain strong, especially in key business districts like Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Minato. This also includes the growing demand for properties in Harajuku and Roppongi, where high-end residential and commercial properties are seeing increasing investment. The city's rental yields are also relatively high, with typical returns ranging from 4 to 6% depending on the area. While this might not seem like much at first glance, it's important to understand that Tokyo offers the stability and consistency that many investors seek. The demand for rental properties, particularly for short-term rentals and apartments for expatriates, remains resilient, even during challenging economic conditions. Another major factor is Tokyo's infrastructure. The city has one of the most sophisticated and efficient public transportation systems in the world, ensuring that properties are easily accessible for commuters and residents alike. In addition, Tokyo's international connections, including its proximity to Narita and Haneda airports, make it an attractive destination for multinational companies and their employees. The city's generally stable economy, low crime rate, and high standard of living also make it a relatively low-risk place to invest. However, there are challenges to consider. Tokyo's property prices can be steep, especially in prime locations like Shibuya and Shinjuku. If you're planning to invest in these areas, you'll need a larger budget to secure properties. For those looking for more affordable entry points, there are several emerging areas like Sumida or Tama, which are still close to major transit lines and offer significant room for appreciation. Investing in these less central neighborhoods allows you to get more for your money while still benefiting from Tokyo's growth. For those looking for higher rental yields, some properties in Koto or Edogawa might offer returns closer to 6%, providing a more attractive option for investors seeking more affordable yet high-return opportunities. As a result, the diversity of the Tokyo market means there's potential for both short-term profits and long-term capital growth, depending on where you decide to invest. Next up, let's talk about Osaka, Japan's second-largest city. Osaka has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years as a hotspot for real estate investment. It's often seen as a more affordable alternative to Tokyo, but still offers solid growth potential. Osaka is known for its vibrant economy, particularly in the manufacturing and tech industries. The city is home to the headquarters of companies like Panasonic and Sharp, and it has a strong presence in sectors like robotics and logistics. The city's port is also one of the busiest in Japan, facilitating a steady influx of business and commerce. Osaka is an economic powerhouse, and it has been undergoing significant development in recent years, particularly in its central districts. New shopping malls, office buildings, and luxury apartments have been sprouting up, which has made it increasingly attractive for both domestic and foreign investors. In terms of rental yields, Osaka offers competitive returns, often in the range of 5 to 7%, which is higher than what you might find in Tokyo. The city's rental market is diverse, from small apartments for singles to larger family homes, so there's a property for every type of investor. Areas like Umeda and Namba are highly sought after, but there are also emerging neighborhoods like Tsuruhashi and Tennoji that offer strong potential for capital appreciation and rental yields. One of the key attractions of Osaka is its relative affordability. While Tokyo can be prohibitively expensive, Osaka offers a more balanced entry point. Compared to other global cities such as New York or London, the property prices in Osaka remain relatively low, especially in areas just outside the city center. This affordability factor makes Osaka an attractive destination for younger residents, students, and those in search of lower living costs, while still being in close proximity to business hubs. Osaka is also home to an ever-growing tourist industry, especially in districts like Dotonbori and Shinsaibashi, where demand for short-term rentals is high. The booming tourism industry has driven up the demand for both commercial and residential properties. Investors can tap into this market by purchasing properties in tourist-friendly areas, which have been showing consistent rental returns. Moving on to Fukuoka, a city that might not be as well known internationally but is quickly becoming a hotspot for real estate investors. Located on the southern island of Kyushu, Fukuoka is Japan's fastest-growing city. With a population of just over 1.6 million, it's a major regional center for business, education, and technology. What makes Fukuoka stand out in 2025 is its economic growth and affordability. The city is home to a thriving startup ecosystem, a strong tourism sector, and a growing expat community. As more businesses open branches in Fukuoka and more young professionals move to the city, the demand for rental properties is climbing. Fukuoka's economy is rapidly diversifying beyond traditional industries, with significant investment in biotechnology, fintech, and IT services. This economic development has made the city a magnet for skilled workers, particularly those from outside Japan. For real estate investors, Fukuoka offers some of the highest rental yields in Japan, often surpassing 6% in certain areas. With relatively low property prices compared to Tokyo or Osaka, Fukuoka presents a fantastic opportunity for those looking to buy at an affordable price, while still reaping solid returns. Areas like Hakata and Tenjin have been seeing particularly high demand, making them prime locations for investment. These areas also have excellent transportation links, adding to their attractiveness for renters. Fukuoka is also one of the top destinations for domestic tourists, particularly from other parts of Asia. This has led to a surge in short-term rental properties, with investors capitalizing on the popularity of vacation rentals and Airbnbs. The city's vibrant food scene, festivals, and cultural landmarks make it an appealing choice for both tourists and residents. Additionally, the ongoing development of Fukuoka City's waterfront district promises to further boost the local real estate market, particularly in terms of luxury apartments and commercial spaces. With all these factors in play, Fukuoka offers an exciting investment opportunity, particularly for those seeking high rental yields in a city with a growing international presence. Next on the list is Nagoya, Japan's fourth largest city, and another one that offers excellent investment potential. Nagoya is a major industrial hub, home to some of Japan's largest companies, including Toyota, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, and Honda. The city's economy is strong and diverse, with a solid base in automotive manufacturing, aerospace, and technology. Nagoya's proximity to the manufacturing heartlands of Japan has given the city a distinct economic advantage. Nagoya offers a unique combination of economic stability and affordable property prices. Compared to Tokyo and Osaka, property prices in Nagoya are significantly lower, but the rental demand is still strong due to the city's booming workforce. The city's growing popularity as a business and industrial hub has made it an increasingly attractive location for young professionals and families, resulting in high demand for residential properties. The rental yields in Nagoya are attractive as well, averaging around 4 to 5%. However, the real draw for investors here is the long-term growth potential. With its strategic location and strong economic foundation, Nagoya is well positioned for future development, which could drive up property values in the coming years. The city's expanding Chubu International Airport has also opened up further possibilities for international businesses and trade, which may further contribute to the real estate boom. Nagoya has a diverse range of properties available, from traditional homes to modern apartments and commercial spaces. Areas like Sakai and Fushimi have long been popular for business and retail, but there are also emerging neighborhoods like Nakaku that are seeing increasing demand. This combination of affordability and growth makes Nagoya an appealing choice for those looking for both capital appreciation and stable rental income. Finally, let's talk about Sapporo, the capital of Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island. Sapporo is known for its beautiful natural scenery, including mountains and hot springs, making it a popular destination for both tourists and residents alike. The city is famous for its winter sports, particularly skiing, and has been attracting increasing numbers of tourists from abroad, particularly from nearby countries like China and Korea. But don't let its reputation for snow and skiing fool you. Sapporo is also becoming a growing real estate market. The city's population may not be as large as Tokyo or Osaka, but it's steadily increasing as more people move from other parts of Japan to experience the lifestyle and natural beauty the city has to offer. The cost of living in Sapporo is also lower compared to Japan's larger cities, making it an attractive place for both Japanese residents and expatriates. Sapporo is especially appealing for investors looking for a lower cost of entry. Property prices here are among the most affordable in Japan, but rental demand remains strong. The city has seen a rise in tourism, particularly in the winter months, and this has fueled demand for short-term rental properties. Investors who capitalize on Sapporo's tourism boom by purchasing vacation rental properties could see solid returns. With rental yields in the 5 to 6% range, Sapporo offers a great opportunity for investors seeking solid returns in a growing market. Areas like Susukino and Odori Park have long been popular with tourists and residents alike, offering opportunities for both commercial and residential investment. Sapporo's real estate market remains one of the most affordable in Japan, and with the increase in tourism and infrastructure development, it presents a strong opportunity for those looking to invest at a lower price point. So, there you have it. The top 5 cities to invest in Japanese real estate in 2025. Tokyo, Osaka, Fukuoka, Nagoya, and Sapporo all offer unique advantages depending on your investment goals. Whether you're looking for long-term stability, high rental yields, or affordability, these cities have something to offer. The key takeaway here is that Japan is a diverse country with a variety of investment opportunities. While Tokyo and Osaka may be the obvious choices, don't overlook the growing markets in places like Fukuoka, Nagoya, and Sapporo. By investing in the right city, you could see substantial returns in the coming years. But let's not forget about a few other rising stars that are catching the eye of foreign investors this year. Niseko may be a bit niche, but it's hard to ignore its incredible potential for those looking to invest in the luxury real estate market or short-term rentals. This popular ski resort town in Hokkaido has seen a massive surge in demand, especially from international buyers. If you're looking for a property that's in high demand during the winter season, Niseko might be the place for you. Then there's Kyoto, Japan's cultural capital. While it's not as high growth as Osaka or Tokyo, its rich history and consistent tourist demand make it a great choice for those interested in luxury properties or traditional Japanese homes. As the number of tourists continues to rise, especially for short-term rentals, Kyoto offers some of the most lucrative returns in the tourism market. And let's not overlook Yokohama, just south of Tokyo. As a major business hub with great infrastructure, it's attracting more foreign investors looking for properties near the capital without the sky-high prices of Tokyo itself. The city is also seeing a rise in demand for residential and commercial spaces, thanks to its growing international community and strong real estate market. So whether you're drawn to the hustle and bustle of Osaka, the unique charm of Niseko, or the mix of culture and modern growth in Kyoto and Yokohama, Japan's real estate market in 2025 is filled with opportunities. By understanding the dynamics of each city and aligning them with your investment goals, you can position yourself for success in this fascinating and diverse market. To sum it all up, if you're thinking about investing in Japanese real estate in 2025, these 5 cities are at the top of the list for good reason. Tokyo remains a strong contender for those seeking stability and demand, while Osaka and Fukuoka offer competitive returns with slightly more affordable entry points. Nagoya presents an opportunity for long-term growth, and Sapporo offers great potential for those seeking a lower-cost, high-yield investment. Remember, the key to successful real estate investing is doing your research and understanding the dynamics of each city. Keep an eye on market trends, consider your investment goals, and choose a city that aligns with your strategy. With the right knowledge, you can make a smart investment that pays off for years to come. Looking for expert real estate investing advice? Subscribe now and find valuable insights in the description.